Sagittarius! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Sagittarius, please? Sagittarius. Detachment, inseparable. Okay. So we have detachment. I had to let this go so I could clear my mind. Okay. For some of you, you are doing exercises or yoga. Merong detachment from your person. Okay. Inseparable. Our love is always there despite the distance. So you may be dealing or nasa long distance relationship kayo, Sagittarius. Irreplaceable. The way you love can never be matched. Okay, meron ganyan. And then regret. I wish this never happened. Okay. Let us see kung ano yung messages. Merong regret, no, sa situation. Regret about your past, Sagittarius. But you can never forget that person. Okay. Unmatch yung love niya or yung person na yon sa inyo. Okay. Let us see ano yung mga messages from the tarot about love and romance for Sagittarius. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with a fire sign, Leo. Okay. Chariot, Cancer. Virgo. Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you are reminiscing. Okay, nagre-reminisce kayo with this person. Nagre-reminisce kayo about this person sa situation ninyo before. Maybe you are dealing with an ex. Okay. For some of you, may magkalayo kayo. Okay. Parang pagitan, mga countries yung pagitan, malalayo. For some of you, nag-spy ka, nag-stalk. There is stalking about this person. You are getting information kung anong nangyayari na sa person ninyo. Okay. Yeah. Your person feels that you are enjoying your life. You are independent. Okay. You are very successful. Okay. Then the Chariot. Yeah. So your person is very ambitious. Kung ano yung gusto niya, parang chine-chase niya ang kanyang dreams. Okay. Yeah. Parang there is distance, long distance. Gusto ka i-meet ng person mo. Okay. This is for some of you. Just take what resonates. Yeah. Your person wants to be successful with you. Regardless of the distance, gusto niya parang gusto niya mag-meet kayo. Okay. Yeah. There is Chemistry. There is love between you two. Sexual chemistry. Passion. Very passionate. Okay. So, nag-reminisce ka. You miss the friendship with this person. For some of you, namimiss mo yung taong ito. Parang siya din yung best friend mo or malalim yung inyong samahan. Maybe friends kayo before. Something like that. Okay. Tingnan natin. Nine of Pentacles. Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Okay. Your person feels na parang reluctant ka, no? Okay, parang parang cautious ka sa time and energy mo sa kanya. Okay, dahil nakafocus ka lang sa work. Okay, you are focusing on increasing your wealth. Okay, your money. For some of you, your person feels na you are enjoying yung singlehood mo, okay? Yung independence, your freedom. Busy ka, Sagittarius. Your person is a go-getter, okay? Parang he or she gusto niya makipag-communicate sa'yo or makipagkita, or he or she is hoping that someday you will see each other. You might be dealing with a Cancer, okay? Yeah. Your person wants to send message to you. And gusto din ng person mo na gumawa ka na action about sa inyong dalawa, or maybe he or she is hoping na mag-message ka sa kanya or mag-communicate, something like that. Okay. Okay. Your person feels, or gusto ng person mo na parang siguro gusto mo pa rin siya. He or she is hoping for that. Okay. Gusto niya mag-communicate ka sa kanya, or habulin mo siya, or puntahan mo siya. Okay. Yeah. Six of Cups, yes. Your person, okay, parang namimiss niya din. Namimiss ka ng person mo. He's thinking about you. He or she is thinking about you. Nagre-reminisce siya ng mga memories niyo together before, okay? Okay. Gusto niya na kind ka pa rin sa kanya. Basically, he or she wants to be close with you, Sagittarius. And you, on the other hand, you are stalking and spying, getting information about your person. Yeah, you are also stressed. But despite of that, you still want this person, Sagittarius. Okay. You are thinking of coming back to this person. Yes. Maybe you are dealing with an ex. Okay. But you know, may mga obstacles if ever na gusto mong bumalik sa kanya. Okay? You know na may mga challenges, may mga obstacles na kailangan mo lampasan. Okay? Naiisip mo din siya. Okay? Maybe you are browsing pictures or moments with this person. Yeah. Yeah, you want to see this person, okay? Maybe you want this person to show up. Sagittarius, you are also hoping for that. You are hoping that someday magkita kayo ng person mo. Okay. You're hoping na parang ganun pa rin yung dati, na gusto ka rin niyang makita. Okay. Okay. Distance is the blockage. Parang yun yung problema. Yun yung challenge sa situation. The Lovers. Yeah. Come what may. Okay. You are open to possibilities, Sagittarius. If ever. Kung ma-meet mo pa yung person na to or magkita kayo uli, there is a possibility and you're open sa mga possibilities. Okay? Maybe you also want to take chances with this person. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Yeah. Okay. No BS, but you miss this person, Sagittarius. Or it's the other way around. Or maybe both of you. Okay? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. Namimiss ka ng taong ito, Sagittarius. Okay? But right now, you are just in the moment. Depende sa panahon. Okay? But you are also open to new possibilities. Okay? Come what may. Sagittarius. Parang hindi ka naman nag-overthink about this. But definitely, you miss each other. Yes. Yeah. Naalala ka rin ng person mo. Yeah. But at the same time, it seems na parang wala ring you don't have choice but to cut or hindi mo you need to detach yourself from these memories, okay? Kasi parang wala rin siyang patutunguhan. Okay? Because there is distance. Okay? The Fool. Come what may. or maybe you are trying too hard not to get too attached with the memories. Okay? For your sake, or para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind, maybe you just have to kailangan mong maging detached sa kanya or sa memories na yan. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Come what may. Yeah. Your person is also expecting, or parang gusto niya rin makarinig from you. Kung ano na nangyayari sa inyo, Sagittarius. Ano yung mga ganap mo. Okay? Your person also wants na gustuhin mo siya or habulin mo siya uli or bumalik ka sa kanya. Okay? Depende sa situation. These are the energies for you, Sagis. Maybe it's the other way around. Okay? Yeah. Head over heart. So you are making decision based on your head. Okay? These are just memories, happy moments in the past. And maybe you are stressed already thinking too much about this person. So it's best or wiser for you to cut or to detach or to disconnect yourself. Okay? Come what may, if the time comes, or kung kayo din sa huli, then it will just happen naturally. Okay? Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional messages. Yeah. Your person feels na parang kinokontrol mo ang sarili mo. Okay? Yeah. You are too cautious of your time and effort. Kinokontrol mo yung sarili mo na hindi mag-communicate sa kanya. Okay? Your person feels that you are enjoying your singlehood or you are independent. Okay? Financially, you are doing well. Your person is as well successful and victorious sa situation niya. Siguro naaalala ka din talaga ng person mo. Yeah, messages. Sagittarius. Soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. Manifesting miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. Alright. So these are the messages for you, Sagittarius. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!